Hey YouTube, how you guys doing? Thanks for tuning in. So I have another unboxing for you guys today, which we're gonna get into. But that being said, we're going to have a huge giveaway at the end of the video, which I will announce the way you can enter for the drawing. This video and this device or this laptop actually was sponsored by Tech Modernist. I will add their link down there somewhere for their website. So basically, what they do is they typically have 3 or 4 unique accessories, like technology or tech accessory I should say, and once their module is, once they sell them out, they will come up with a brand new device or brand new item. So if you miss out on something that they have, it's gonna be gone. So once the inventory is gone, it's gone. So again, they're the one that's sponsoring this video again, and towards the end of the video I'm gonna tell you guys how you guys can enter. So basically the price of the winner is going to be the Razer Blade Pro 2019, which we're going to do the unboxing today, and also I'll be opening up the back to show you guys if you want to upgrade your SSD or RAM or anything like that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this started. So now, the fun part, how you can get this little guy as a gift, or as a giveaway I should say. So basically there are a couple of things you need to do. You need to go to the website right here, techmodernist.com, purchase any one of their devices. So basically any purchase that you would make that gets you 1 point in our drawings. And the way it works is that what you got to do is just email me the order number, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And then within a month, well, I should say I will do it about a month. So I'll put a date up here too. So this will be the date that this video get posted. And then so basically, again, there are 2 things you got to do: subscribe to the channel and purchase one of the items. So any item you purchase, it gets you 1 drawing or 1 token or point, or whatever you want to call it, into the drawing. And then after a month, we pick one. Yeah, they were very nice at giving you guys this promo code that gets you additional 15% off on any one of the items you want to purchase. Plus they come with free shipping. We get it shipped all over the United States. Unfortunately, they don't ship outside of US at this moment, so all of our basically winners, or the people that are gonna get into this drawing, they have to be within the United States. And again, this will be your prize. So to just go over it with you again, this guy is the Razer Blade 2019, Razer Blade Pro 17 to 2019, which comes with an i7 9th generation Intel processor. Typically out of the box comes with 16 GB of RAM, but we upgraded to the 32 GB, so you get that as well. We also added 1 TB of Samsung SSD in there. That comes with it. Plus you're gonna have the 512 that is pre-installed. So you get a total of 1.5 terabyte of storage, full SSD. And this device also has 144 Hertz display. Plus this is the RTX 2070 graphics card, Max Q. Don't forget about that. So again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Email me or PM me your order numbers so I can verify with them that you did purchase something out of their website. Again, it doesn't matter which item, each item gets you 1 token into the drawing, and after a month we will announce the winner. Again, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Peace.